So it drops out that color and sends it.
Yeah.
That's why you must make a poop box. So when it sends that stuff flying, you have somewhere to put it.
Excited?
Yeah.
See, that's what happens when you learn hard and do well in exams, huh?
When are we going to put the filament in?
When it tells us to. Just slow down a bit.
How long?
And listen, I don't want you making stuff and taking it to school to sell, eh? Yeah, I can see.